How's everyone doing today? Shank RP right here. Today we're going to talk about the Bitcoin price and the rest of the market and where we may be heading. Please remember I'm not a financial advisor and all this information is just used for entertainment purposes only. So without further ado, let's dive right into the charts. Alright guys, so first I just wanted to take a look at the fear and greed index. So currently we are at a very low point of the fear and greed index. Mind you, I would like to say, I think a month or two ago I was mentioning we were pretty low here when the score was 13 and we did move up a bit. We are very low on the fear and greed index, so a pump could happen. We could definitely see, a relief rally, but I don't think that, like I said, we're going to be approaching new highs. If we look here on the Puell multiple, you can see that normally when we're in this green zone, it's normally a decent time to purchase Bitcoin. Anytime. We're currently not in that green zone. So even in 2021, when we were in the green zone, it was a particularly good time to buy Bitcoin. But yeah, we're not back in this green zone yet, to say that it's a buy. So even though we do have the fear and greed index, we could definitely see a little relief rally and more of a rollover in price. So just keep that in mind. All right, so here we're looking at the Bitcoin price. Currently we had a nice pump from the lows, about 8%, and currently we're just in this range. So let me take out this and take out this over here. Yeah, so we're kind of just been trading in this range here. We've been trading in this range. So we could definitely break out, and if we break out, we could see targets. We could see, if we just use the resistance, our targets could be around here at 37 for the next target, and then we just take it higher, so it would be 40k after that, and then we just move our targets up, right? We could even say we have a target over here at 34.3. All right, so we can definitely use this as support and break it as resistance, and then use it as support, but we are looking like, at the moment, we have, if we zoom in here, let's zoom in, it looks like the RSI indicator is weakening and volume is currently decreasing. So this is the 15 minutes, so prices has increased. So we have price increasing here, we have the price increasing and volume just falling off here. So currently and the RSI, we see it getting weaker. Not really, I wouldn't say there's a divergence. There was one from here to here, so we did have that divergence. We did have a drop, so that I could say that played out already. But yeah, we have the price weakening, volume increasing. So unless we have a massive volume spike and then use it as support, it looks like we could get a retracement, maybe not all the way down to the bottom, to the bottom over here, but we could see targets at 29.7, around there. So just keep that in mind as a price, as we continue watching the price today. The S&P 500 is closed today, so there's no actual trading for the stocks. It's a holiday, Memorial Day, so we won't look at the S&P 500 today. But also, let's look here at Ethereum versus Bitcoin. So I haven't brought this chart up a lot, but this Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart, you can see that we are currently, we have this resistance here. We've broken out, came down, we've broken out a second time, and now we're just at support right now. So we're currently just hanging around at support. So we can see what can happen when we get up here, if we get a rejection and further down, or if we get a bounce back. But keep in mind, we have a high here and we have a lower high, a low, lower low. So we could be starting a downtrend, so we could get a rejection off here and then head lower. That's definitely a possibility. So keep that in mind. And this is kind of looking like a Wyckoff distribution pattern here. So now that I look at it, it does look like a bit of a Wyckoff distribution pattern at the moment, right? So we could definitely see this being, you know, we had accumulation. So accumulation right here, the consolidation accumulation. And then we had the markup phase. So this is a markup phase. And then we have distribution. So this could be the distribution stage for the markdown, for the actual bear market. So that definitely is a possibility we could be seeing. So I just want to point out that for you. Like I said, ETH normally shows us the direction of the altcoins, but if we are in this distribution phase and we're rolling over, we might head lower. Alts, trust me, your alt may be down 99%, but it can still go down another 99%. So just keep that in mind, guys. All right. Over here, we're looking at the Bitcoin dominance. So we have at the moment, dominance has definitely been rising. And you know what the thing is, guys, is a lot of when the dominance decreases, normally alts do well. And when the dominance increases, normally alts underperform the Bitcoin dominance. And if you're new to crypto, you know, like majority of the people in crypto are new. Having the dominance go up is not a bad thing. If we get the dominance, if we break, so we have some zones here. So if we break these zones and then come up over here, dominance will be at 57%. Definitely a possibility. You know, well, yeah, we actually have some headwinds to get above. We have 52 and 50%, 49. So if we get up here and let's say we get up to 57% dominance, a lot of alts will be decimated. But think about it like this. If the dominance rises, alts are decimated, and you work on your skill set, when the dominance is ready to turn around, so say we get up here and the dominance turns around and alts start flying, you'll be in a better position to capitalize. So this is like a second or third chance for people who've been in the market for like 8 years, right? So, you know, I haven't been in the market that long, but yeah, this is just another opportunity. So, you know, this does look like we've bottomed out here. Looks like, you know, this could be seen as maybe an accumulation. We had the distribution. You know, we had that markup phase in 2020, 21. So we could definitely be seeing this as the accumulation phase back up, and then we have that distribution, and then could head lower. Who knows, right? But just for you guys to look at, observe, we definitely have a long way in this market, and you know, don't be discouraged. We're looking at ETH prices now. So ETH, of course, that's why the chart was looking weird. It wasn't on the log scale. So fun fact, guys, whenever you're charting any type of cryptocurrency, you want to make sure you're on the logarithmic scale. Because cryptocurrency is exponential in price movement, you want to make sure that the chart can catch everything and you can actually analyze and put trend lines in places where it actually is valid. It won't really be as valid if it's not on a log scale. All right, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. There's a quick little update on this Monday holiday for a lot of people that are in the States. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And tune in next time if you found this content informative. And like, comment, subscribe, and share. Appreciate you.